But you already knew that. All right. Listen, we went out this afternoon or this evening and took some drone shots and thought, oh my God, let's see what we can do with the subject about having Photoshop go crazy. Let's come right in here and let's add a pirate ship. See what happens. Where everyone's doing this with all kinds of stuff. Let's see what happens if we put a pirate ship in. This is the most fun I've had in Photoshop in the past 15 years. Wow. That's not what I expected as a pirate ship. That's freaking cool. Oh my God, that's pretty gigantic. I think it's a little too big. Let's come over here and let's do a little smaller one. And how about pirate ship black? Made it a little smaller. See what happens. Wow. Ooh. Let's try. I misspelled submarine too. Oops. This would be fun. See what kind I just said sub. That looks like a whale. How about a whale? This is the most fun I've had photoshopping in a long time. Ooh. I don't think when I put down. Wow. That is pretty darn cool. Wow. Wow. All right, let's take this boat out and let's generative fill this one. I think we're going to add a pirate sailboat. Never mind. I forgot to do this. All right, let's do this one. Because I kind of screwed this up. Let's do this, and we're going to eliminate this one. I think what I need to do is I need to put in here. And I think what we're going to put in is a pirate sail 3-mast sailboat. That's pretty descriptive. Not a whale? This is the most fun I've had. Oh my God. God, look how the water just goes right over the whale. That wasn't what I wanted. Ooh. Huh. Let's try this, a 3-mast sailboat. Wasn't what I expected. All right, well, you know what? And let's come over here and let's add a red dragon. I don't know about any of these things, but this is about the most fun. I mean, I couldn't imagine putting a red dragon in here. That would be fun. Oh my God. Let's not do it. Let's just do a regular dragon. I think the red is throwing it off. I don't think we should do a red dragon. It doesn't look real enough. I think we should just do a regular dragon. This is fun, though. I can't believe that we're going to do this. Wow. Ooh. I'm not crazy about any of these dragons. We're going to get rid of the dragon. But that looks pretty darn good. Hey, thank you for letting me come have fun, and that looks pretty darn good. Hey, thanks for checking it out.